the sun shine down, the water rises up, making it cause water vapors. As the drink is staying liquid to gas, this is called evaporation. The salt in the sea gets left behind while fresh water gets evaporated. In the sky, this is called salinity. Condensation forms clouds in the atmosphere, making them fall ready to pour. Water dropping down, changing from a gas to a solid. This is called deposition. Precipitation happens when the clouds get heavy and pour down too. Rain, hail, sleet, and snow. When it snows on the mountain top, it can turn into ice. Cause of the temperature, it may form glaciers. Glaciers are massive pieces of ice that are on mountains or poles. When the water falls down, it causes the water to turn into runoff, groundwater, surface water.
Runoff water is the water that flows downhill. Groundwater is surface water is the water that flows back to rivers, lakes, streams, and oceans because of gravity. Even if a glacier is frozen, it will eventually change state. It goes from liquid to solid, then evaporates and turns into solid gas. Polarized caps are basically glaciers. Floating ice are called ice shelves. Large sections of ice shelves are icebergs. Water from rivers and streams flow to reservoirs, lakes, and oceans. Reservoirs are like holding tanks. As the water absorbs, it goes in the water table. Through the groundwater, a water table is when the rock and the soil begins to get saturated. When the groundwater flows down to an aquifer in the ground.
The water from the aquifer finds its way into the oceans and lakes. The aquifer is underground freshwater reservoir and drains into a main body of water called a watershed. Another word for a watershed is a drainage basin. If it's a small basin, it's called a catchment. There are ways where water flows back to the ocean. It can evaporate or gets absorbed in the ground as groundwater, or flows rivers, streams, lakes, or oceans as surface water. Surface water. Evapotranspiration is where water from the streams evaporates into the atmosphere.
Sometimes the water leads to wastewater, where then it evaporates and causes plants to have chemicals. This contains the whole water cycle. The sun provides heat that drives the whole cycle,
And the whole cycle goes around